Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these Valentine Day inspired nails. So first I want to show you guys this kit that I got from Alpha Brush, and this is a limited edition kit that is in collaboration with Dulce Nail Sprinkles. And inside the kit, you get a cuticle pusher, an acrylic brush, and some glitter. And there's also a gel brush option as well. So this is how the cuticle pusher looks. It is so cute. I love this iridescentness of it. And on the tip, you have a cuticle scraper. So this is how the acrylic brush looks, and this is exactly like the brush that I'm using. They custom made a brush for Dulce Nail Sprinkles, and it's kind of hard to read, but it does say Dulce number 8 Oval by Alpha Brush. And I love that this brush is a 2-piece handle, so it doubles as a cap. And this is just one of my favorite sizes from Alpha. This is the size brush that I'm always bragging about, and I just love this brush. So it does come with wax on the tip, and you can just dip the brush in monomer and that will go right away. And this is how the glitter looks. It is a beautiful metallic and purple. It's just so gorgeous. So this is a limited edition kit. I think it is a extremely great value. It's on sale for $19.99 and I think it is so worth it. So I will leave a link down below, and I also have a coupon code where you can save 10% off. Alright, so I'm taking the cuticle pusher and I'm going to do some prep on my natural nails, and I'm just gently pushing back the cuticles. Next, I'm going in with my Todak USA cuticle clean bit, and I'm just going to work that around my cuticles. I do have a more in-depth video of how I prep my nails that I will link down below. Alright, so these are the tips that I'm using, and these are from Glitter Planet UK. They are the pre-pinch stiletto tips, and I just use this IBD brush on nail glue, and I just apply a small amount to the tip and apply it to my nail. So this is how it looks after all the tips are applied. And I'm going to be using this Madam Glam PolyGel. They were so kind enough to send over a package of PolyGel for me to try out. I have 2 colors of PolyGel. I have Japanese Camillia and Vintage Orchid. And they also sent over this tool. One end is the brush and the other end is the spatula. So I'm going to start off with Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator, and I'm just going to apply this to all of my nails. And next I'm going to apply No Lift Nails Primer. And then I'm going to apply a base coat of the Madam Glam Base Gel, and I'm just going to apply this to all of my natural nails. So after applying this to all my nails, I cure for 60 seconds. Alright, so now I'm taking Japanese Camilla and I am just squeezing it out of the bottle and using the spatula to get the amount that I need. And then I use the spatula to kind of, push it onto the nail. Next, taking the brush in, I dip it in alcohol and I just use that to pat it in place. So this was my first time trying out PolyGel, and I must say that it is a super easy process. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting it to be like this easy. So yeah, I just pat this in place. The one thing I will say is that it is a slight learning curve. I found out that it's best to keep your brush wet with alcohol, because if not, you'll begin to pull the product and it'll stick to the brush. So it works better when your brush is wet. Also, it kind of takes time to learn how much product you'll need for each nail. As you can see with this nail, I started off with an amount, and then as I was trying to add a second amount, it just was a little difficult because the first part that I did began to shift and all of that. So, but as I go on, it gets easier to kind of gauge how much product you need. But yeah, I love that I'm able to really focus around that cuticle area and make that nice and neat. And although this product is thick, it is nice and soft and pliable and easy to move, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just smooth it out and just making sure to keep my brush really wet. The only thing that I would probably change is I tried to give this Madam Glam brush a try, and this would be perfect for shorter nails, but since these nails are so long, I should have used like a bigger brush, but it still got the job done. All right, so that is how the first nail looks, and it is nice and built. You can go ahead and cure, but I decided to go ahead and do all the nails first and then cure at the end. So for my ring fingernail, as you can see, I started off with a much larger amount of the polygel, and it looks like a lot, but once you pat it out and pat it down the nail, it is the perfect amount. Like I said, it is a slight learning curve, but it is so simple and easy to use. I think this is an amazing alternative to acrylics or even gel because it is just so easy and you don't have to deal with any smells or anything. Like, this is just so simple, and you have all the time in the world to pat this product in place and to get the shape perfect. So as you can see, I do kind of struggle getting it off of the spatula and onto the nail. I did notice that some people just squirt it right on the nail, which would be easier. But once I get the product on the nail, it is just so simple to go ahead and pat it in place. I cannot express enough how easy and simple this process is. This is perfect for someone who just wants a quick set, or if you're just starting out. So it was after I completed my middle finger that I went ahead and cured because I kept tapping the other nails and I was messing up the shape. I decided to go ahead and cure so I wouldn't mess up all of my good work. But yeah, that's the only downfall, is if you touch these or bump them, you kind of mess up the shaping. So that is why I went ahead and cured at this point. And I cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. All right, and just before I cure, I go ahead and just make sure that the sides and the tip is the perfect shape that I want. All right, so this is after curing, and these nails are rock hard. Like, I cannot believe it. So I'm just gonna move on to the rest of the nails. I am loving these polygels. I think they are just so awesome. And this color is amazing. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a coupon code down below where you can save 30% off and give this a try because this is just so easy. So I cured for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and this is after curing. And I'm just gonna wipe away the tacky layer with alcohol. Now I'm doing my shaping and filing, and this gel was just so easy to file. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with this gel polish from Love Jazzery, and this is a beautiful bright red color. And I'm taking my Alpha Detail brush and I'm using that to create a outline of two halves of the heart. Keep in mind, I'm working with my non-dominant hand, so it does look a little crappy right here, but I turned my nails towards me just so I can get a roundabout placement of where I want the hearts to be. And now with my fingers laid out, I'm able to really perfect the half of the heart and just make it more precise and all of that. So continuing with the Alpha Detail brush, I go ahead and fill in the heart and I cure for 60 seconds, and then I did a second coat of red on the heart as well. So after curing, I'm going in with the Madam Glam gel top coat. And before curing, I'm applying these iridescent crystals, and these are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. But I am just placing these crystals, outlining the half of the heart. And I go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds, and I repeat the same thing on the other nail, and also add some more bling to my pinky and my index fingernail. So now I'm just wiping off the tacky layer from the top coat. And applying some cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I love how these nails came out. The heart is just so cute and it is so perfect for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to check out Madam Glam's website and the coupon code down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.